changes in village community or changes in Indian rural life. A detail going on. Changes in the law of nature. It is the need of life. Change is but natural in human communities. The village community is less susceptible to change than the urban communities, but it does not imply that village community undergoes no change. It is also undergoing change through the speed of changes compared to urban communities slow. One, caste system change. Second, judgment system change. 3, family system change. 4, marriage system change. 5, living standard have been changed. 6, economic system change. 7, political system have been changing. A detail going on. First, caste system. The British rule in India gave a serious blow to the caste system in the villages. The economic policy and laws of British rules and rulers induced the different castes to adopt occupations other than the traditional ones. The hold of caste panchayat was loosened. The status of village man was determined on the basis of his economic position and personal attainments. The restriction on food, dress, mode of living and other matters imposed under caste system were removed. Even untouchability was weakened. Thus, the caste system has now lost its traditional hold in the villages. However, casteism is getting strengthened on account of selfish political interest. Second, judgment system have been changed. Social stratification in India. The judgment system, the feature of village community in India, has now weakened due to the governmental efforts to raise the status of lower caste and impact of urbanization. The occupations adopted by the village people are not entirely hereditary based on caste system nor the payment for services rendered by the lower caste is in kind. It is now mostly cash payment. the family system. The joint family system is no longer the peculiar characteristics of village community. Nuclear family have taken its place. The family control over its members in matters of diet, dress, and the marriage has weakened. The family is no longer an economic unit. Several activities which once were carried within the family are now performed by outside agencies. The education of village girls has raised the status of rural women. 4. Marriage system. Change can also be seen in the institute of marriage. Although intercaste marriages are rare and parents continue to dominate the mate choice, yet the boys and girls are consulted by the parents in the matter of mate choice. Love marriages and divorces are almost non-existent. The individual qualities like education, economic pursuit, beauty and appearance of the marriage partners are given preference over the old family status. There is now less expenditure on family marriages. The marriage rights also have been minimized. The custom of child marriage is being abolished. 5. Living standards. The standard of living in the village community is gradually going higher. The rural diet no more consists of coarse food only. It now includes vegetables, milk, bread, tea, vegetable ghee. The dress is getting urbanized. The youths put on pants and the girls put on frocks and bell bottoms. Even the old ladies put on blouses instead of shirts. The mill cloth is used in place of handloom cloth. Gold ornaments have replaced the old heavy silver ornaments. The young boys live bare-headed with well-combed long hair, while the girls use cosmetics. 6. Economic system have been changed. Change has also taken place in the economic field. The educated rural youth seeks jobs in the cities rather than settle on the land. The demand for new scientific instruments of the agriculture is increasing. The farmers have been taught new methods to raise their production. The rural cooperative societies have listened the woes and miseries of the village people in getting seeds, fertilizers and credit. Seven, political system. Olden Indian villages was governed by caste panchayats, but modern Indian villages govern by village panchayats, governed by people through democratic principles. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.